little buns! Here today with an unboxing slash review for a really sweet store on Instagram. They are called BiscuitsxMonsters. BiscuitsX. Put it on the screen so you know what I'm talking about. They were kind enough to reach out to me on Instagram and were like, hey, can I send you some stuff? Because I think you'll like it. And I was like, okay. This parcel right here came all the way from the US of A, and I just collected it today, and I'm quite excited. I wasn't entirely sure what I was being sent. The owner of the store gave me some hints just so I know what things are, but I have no idea what anything looks like, so this is a full-on first look at it review unboxing thing. Yeah, let's open it and see what's inside. Ooh, we're in. Okay, so I'm just going to take something out at random, and this feels kind of furry. The owner sent me the names of the items so I can tell you what they are, and oh my goodness. So these right here are the fluffy bunny headbands, and this is pink ears, and also can you see the slight flecks of pink on the band as well. This band in particular also comes in black and a hot pink as well, and oh my gosh, this is so fluffy. I don't actually own any bunny rabbit ears despite being a bunny, so I'm a little bit emotional. I'm in love. Like, what? This band fits my head wonderfully, and it's not tight whatsoever. It feels secure. Like I feel like I could jump around like a bunny rabbit and it won't pop off my head, but in no way is it too tight or uncomfortable. The band actually sits, well, this looks a bit weird. The band actually sits just above my ear. Sometimes with bands they can go all the way down here and they can dig into the sides of your head. I don't think you're gonna get this with this this band. Sorry, I'm just enjoying it. I mean, I don't know if you can really tell how fluffy this is, but this is extremely fluffy. The colours are wonderful, and like, what? These are so squidgy. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, moving on to the next item before I completely forget about everything and just go into a bunny zone of just, okay, moving on. Next thing that I find, so I think this is called the Magical Thorn Headband, and she says to me that it glows under UV light. This comes in pink, blue and black, however the black doesn't glow under UV light. I mean, I don't want to take this one off because it's so cute, but I'm gonna have to. Okay. I'll plop it on my head. Here we go. Oh my. I like it. Again, the band doesn't go all the way down here, so it won't dig in. It feels like it's really secure on my head when I jiggle around, but it doesn't feel like it's too tight either. The flowers feel extremely secure, and so do the little ears as well. Like, I don't feel like this is gonna fall off. The band as well is covered in this really soft sort of, not felt, I'm not really sure what material that is, but it's so super soft. Both of these are so super soft and wonderful, and like, I'm really impressed. I'm so happy. Next, I have some teddy bear hair clips in the colour blue. And as you can tell, obviously everything here is handmade. This is so cute. I love the stitching and the little buttons effect. I think that's adorable. And it comes on a small crocodile clip like so. So I'm going to try and clip this on my head. I am a bear cub. I'm a bear. Can you tell I'm a bear? Yeah. I am an actual living teddy bear. I don't think I've done a very good job of making these look even. Hold on. Do I look more like a bear now? I'm a bear. I am an actual bear. So talking about the qualities of these are so lightweight. These are not heavy at all. It feels really secure on the clip as well. I love the little like stitching and buttons sort of thing. How sweet is that? I look like an actual teddy bear. I am really, really in love with the blue as well. The blue is really cute, and the pink contrasting buttons. I think this is so cute. I have just suddenly been so inspired to do kind of like a blue teddy bear entire full-on co-ord, and oh my gosh, it's gonna be incredible. I'm so happy. I'm adorable. And lastly, before I forget and get carried away, there is one last item which I think is so cute. So the last item is this cute little keychain right here. This is so damn cute. But the owner of the store wanted me to just clarify that all of these keychains are made, like they're all unique, are one of a kind. You can't get another one that is the same design. They're all made completely unique, one of a kind sort of thing. And oh my goodness, look at his little button eyes. Oh, he's good. He's a good squish. He's padded really, really well. Also, you have two types of keychains right here. You have like the round one, and then the clippy one that I think most people prefer. The clippy one is much easier. I always chip my nail varnish trying to open the round one. He is cute. He is happy. He is smiling. He has a good fashion sense. I think he's a good boy. I think he's gonna get on with mini frills very well. I want to name him. I want to name him something fancy. Do we have any fancy name ideas? What can we call him? Something fancy like Rupert or something fancy. Give me some fancy names in the comments down below. I want to name him something fancy. He's got a top hat and a bow tie on, so he's definitely a fancy chap. I would just like to say a huge thank you to BiscuitsxMonsters on Instagram for sending me some beautiful things from your store. I honestly, they didn't pay me to say anything. They've just sent me some items, which is very kind of them, all the way from America. And I am really happy and sort of honoured to receive so many lovely handmade beautiful things. The style of this store is extremely unique as well. You're not going to find anything like this anywhere else. I mean, I would seriously recommend going and having a look at their store at the very least. I would really recommend you buying things as well. The price I think is really, really good. I think it's a great price for what you get. If you do find something you like and you would like a cheeky discount code, I do have one, and it's Bunny Frills. Most of my discount codes are Bunny Frills, and yeah, you're more than welcome to use them. It's fine. You can. You don't have to. No pressure. It's alright. It just gives you a little bit of a discount if you want to buy something. I'm obsessed with these. These are going to be on my head forever. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure you put a thumbs up and also subscribe down below if you haven't already, which is crazy because we're fun here. We'll do fun stuff. Thank you so much for watching, little band, and I will see you in the next video. See you soon.